Hey guys, I'm so thankful that our God, the Creator, can recreate things. He makes all things new, the Bible said. He makes a roadway in the wilderness. He makes a river in the desert. He makes a sinner a saint. If anyone is in Christ, he or she becomes a brand new creation. What a thought. A new creation, new creature. Old things have passed away. All things have become new. This is the end of fear. This is the end of emptiness. And this is the beginning of a huge, big, bright adventure where the possibilities are really infinite and endless. And the joy of the Lord comes in because you know, and with assurance that He's there for you and not against you. He's there to help you. He's listening. His ears are inclined to the prayer of the upright. I think about restored life that Jesus came to bring. You know, I've always admired the EMTs and the paramedics and the emergency room doctors that literally bring people from the brink of death back to a new opportunity, new hope. Transplant surgeons that give people a second chance at life. But nothing higher or greater or better than Jesus making a sinner dead in their trespasses and sins, going to hell, totally liberated, forgiven, and given a pardon, and then name recorded in heaven, and the assurance that even when you have that termination of your life, that you, even when you die, you live. That's a big deal. And it's truth. And you can stand by it and you can trust God for it. And I want to talk to you about restored life. If you read the book of Ruth, she had terrible circumstances, but God did something for her and intervened for her and gave her a new beginning. And I love Psalm 103. Where it says, "Bless the Lord, O my soul, and all that is within me, bless His holy name. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget none of His benefits." Listen to this. "Who pardons all your iniquities." Those are sins, lapses in judgment, behavioral crazy stuff, disobedience. "Heals all your diseases, from sniffles and a headache to cancer and heart conditions. He is the Lord that heals us. Redeems your life from the pit." Think about depression or anxiety. That's a pit, and He can redeem your life and does redeem your life. "He crowns you with loving kindness and compassion. He satisfies your years with good things so that your youth is renewed like the eagle." Wow. He satisfies your years with good things so that your youth is renewed like the eagle. You know, I have seen eagles by my house where I live in the Midwest. They just soar. They're amazing. And I watch them just catch the thermals and just rise and rise and rise. And, you know, whatever's going on in your life, God will renew and restore your life. And His loving kindness is better than life. You know, when I was young, I couldn't even understand that. But as I'm maturing, I think, wow, you know, life goes by so fast. But God is so good. And in the challenges inevitably that we face, we can trust that He will restore us. Joel chapter 2, verse 25. He says, "I will restore to you the years that the swarming locust has eaten, the crawling locust, the consuming locust, and the chewing locust." Now, He's using this as a natural example to subsistence farmers who would immediately understand the devastation that locusts, those insects that swarm, would come in and decimate crops, all their hard work, toil, sowing seeds, watering, weeding, you know, tending to the garden, running off the the animals that would eat and then all of a sudden there's such an overwhelming attack. Well, in life, challenges come, and we're to count it all joy when we encounter various temptations, tests, and trials, knowing that the trying of our faith produces endurance. It's more precious than gold. Endurance makes you durable, makes you tough, makes you persevere in a way that is a good way to look at problems. I was talking to in our family, we're doing weight training and working out with dumbbells and so forth. And what it is it's resistance. It's called resistance training. And it causes muscle fiber to increase or get stronger, and even causes your bone density to get better. And, as I'm aging and maturing, I realize I need both of those areas to be, I have to be intentional about it. When you're young, everything's it's sort of automatic. But then due to life, there's some decline. But we can look at the situations in life and say, you know what, I'm going to use the pressures to press in. And that's what birds do. If birds want to just go along in their daily routine, they'll fly along with the current. But if they want to get altitude, they'll turn into and face the headwind, and they'll catch the headwind. And it's resistance, but they'll go straight up. It's the law of thrust and lift. They'll go right up. And with eagle's wings, they don't have to flap like crazy like some of the little songbirds. They just kind of, the way that God designed them, the way God's designed you and me. He'll renew your youth like the eagle. He'll satisfy your years with good things. I pray this year you would be satisfied with so many good things, so much renewal, so much breakthrough, so much confidence producing, faith producing encouragement that you really, really rejoice. Go into it rejoicing, rejoice all the way through it. And when I catch up with you this time next year, we'll rejoice. God bless you.